Hi, I'm Gregory Paolini, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your router table to cut a versatile rabbet joint. So stick around. Rabbet joints are really handy joints. You can use them for positioning and aligning components, such as in cabinetry and furniture construction. You can use rabbets for setting glass into a picture frame or a mirror. And you can use rabbet joints for installing clear glass or even stained glass in the back of a cabinet door. And you can even use a rabbet joint to create a simple drawer. They're really versatile and they're really easy to cut on the router table. So let me show you how to do that. For safety's sake, I'm going to unplug everything first. Alright, I'm going to use a 3/4 inch straight bit for this cut. You can cut a rabbet joint using a specialty router bit, but a straight bit mounted in your router table works great. Alright, I need to lower this way down. To 3/8 of an inch. Alright, to fill up this void, I'm going to pop in this insert. That makes it a lot safer. Now I need to adjust my fence so that the bit protrudes 3/8 of an inch. There we go. And I'm going to slide the fence in to eliminate some of that gap. But I still want to make sure that my router bit clears the fence. Okay, so now my setup is 3/8 of an inch high and 3/8 of an inch from the fence. It's going to produce a 3/8 by 3/8 rabbet. For consistency, what I'm going to do is put this feather board in place to give me downward pressure for consistent height. And then I'm going to adjust my feather board in, and that's going to ensure consistent width. As a bonus, it also provides a measure of safety. The router's spinning a bit at over 20,000 RPMs. It's critical that I wear safety glasses and hearing protection when I use it. To protect my lungs, I'm going to hook up some dust extraction. Now it's safe to plug things back in. Alright, we're ready to cut our first rabbet. Here we go. A 3/8 by 3/8 rabbet. That'd be the perfect type of rabbet to set a glass panel in for a coffee table top, or even setting in a piece of glass for on the back of a cabinet door. Alright, so now let me show you another way to cut the rabbet on the router table. And this time let's do a shallow but much higher rabbet. Let's say a 1/16 of an inch deep by about 7/8 of an inch high. Let's see how we set up for that. Now I'm going to raise the bit to 7/8 of an inch. Now I want to adjust my fence so that it's 1/16 inch away from the bit. There we go. Everything's tight. Now it's safe for me to plug my router back in. And for this next cut, we're not going to use the feather board to hold the workpiece down, because we're actually going to keep the workpiece tight up against the fence. So there's just a little bit too much height here to deal with a feather board. Now we have a shallow but wide rabbet. And this would be the perfect kind of rabbet for aligning a piece of plywood up to, or positioning another furniture component. And there's two different ways of cutting rabbets on the router table. The first had the board laying flat on the table. The second, up against the fence. Both were cut with a standard straight bit. It's that simple. Join me again for more router table tips and techniques.